Braised beef, steak chili, it sounds like a lot of work and tons of spicy flavor. This easy braised steak chili is loaded with flavor, but once prepped, it cooks on its own. This top round steak is a really nice cut. It's inexpensive, but if cooked right, it will be so tender it will fall apart into the chili. Trim the excess fat. A sharp knife will easily trim this off. Slice into 6 or 8 big chunks. Dry it with napkins or paper towels. Sear in a hot skillet to develop a nice crust. Drying the meat allows for a better sear, and sear the other side as well. This is a braised steak dish after all, so what that means is we're using 2 cooking methods to develop lots of flavor. After searing, we'll cook it low and slow to break down the meat so it's nice and tender. Alright, into the slow cooker with a big can of crushed tomatoes. Hit it with chili powder, cumin, throw in some black pepper and crushed red pepper. Into the hot pan with some stock to deglaze the pan. Deglazing is a method that utilizes the deep flavors developed in the cooking process. Usually wine, stock, or another liquid is added. Then stir to dissolve the flavors. Deglazing helps create a great sauce, or in this case, it'll enhance the braised chili. Add that beautifully seared beef. On top of the steak, add onions, bell peppers, and spicy jalapenos. Now for kidney beans, pinto beans, and black beans. If you choose to use dried beans, make sure you soak and then properly cook the beans until they're almost done, because the salt content and the acid in the tomatoes can actually slow the cooking process of the beans. I start it on high for an hour or 2 and then switch it to low. After 6 to 8 more hours, the steak will fall apart into a delicate, flavorful dish. After a little morning prep, you'll have an excellent dinner waiting for you in the evening. This is several steps above your average chili dish. Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make something else.
Food porn.